Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a face care technique on how to improve your skin tone and make it more plump and radiant. So in my hair hack video, I had mentioned the benefits of rice water. This is going to be something similar that you're going to be using for your face. So using the water you would normally drain after making rice, you can, once this is cooled down, pour them into an ice cube tray. Once frozen, you can use this in your night care routine. So what you would do is take the ice block and just rub it in circular motions in your face, outward and upward. So like this, on your cheeks and your other side and on your forehead in circular motions. Rice water is said to have so many beneficial impacts for your skin. There's so many commercial products that have rice water contained in them, and this is for the reason that they improve skin tone. They even have sunscreen-like properties, although I wouldn't recommend just using rice water in your face and going out into the sun. Please do still use your sunscreen. It's also said to boost collagen and also has anti-wrinkle properties. So this is a two-in-one technique, right? You're using the ice cube as well as the rice water, so you're getting the benefits from both of them. The ice cube is good because it improves circulation, improves blood flow to your skin, allowing it to rejuvenate itself, and thus increases the radiance and glow of your skin. This also improves cell turnover and improves the problem of having dry skin. So as someone who's been to a number of dermatologists when I was younger because of dry skin, patchiness, uneven tone, and a rash-like texture, this has helped me drastically. So I hope in trying this technique, if you have any of the symptoms I had, that it will help you as well.